Big up Crossy Stevie.
Crossy Stevie. What?
Yeah, come talk about me. Say, two chin, two. Come on from a blood clot, name dirty blood clot chin. Me's no blood clot threat to you. Me don't know you from no blood clot where you're wrong. Batty man. I have to take up my husband and move up my blood clot husband and still up on internet and send blood clot threat and gun to him. Are you expect me if you keep silent? You never see the whole of blood clot them trouble me. I'ma tell the whole of if you kill blood clot me chin. Me natural and blood clot pure. I'm in a hard, I'm not subtract, I'm not blood clot. If I allow me, I'm a blood clot husband. Batty man chin. Batty blood clot man chin. Everybody a blood clot. Batty man on the move on a batty man blood clot. Yeah. Me ready for no dirty blood clot. Stop calling me blood clot dead pitting him. You hear that dirty blood clot and go fuck out your whole of your girl family them. You think you can diss my blood clot dead daughter? I'm a dead baby. And I come talk about me sacrifice. You sacrifice your life blood clot mama chin. And that's if you talk about teeth and blood clot chin. Low blood clot me. Chin leave me dead blood clot daughter. Me in a room chin. Don't blood clot touch sensitive part of me chin. Come my skin out and I need blood clot me chin. And tell if you come ram up your gun in my blood clot pussy. And bust it out chin. Yes me a blood clot informer. Me don't want no like me. Me like my blood clot self. You hear that drunk? Me don't want to do it like me. Me don't want to do it love me. Me love my blood clot self. Low blood clot me with my husband. But me frightened over. Father have, mother have. God bless the blood clot child of his son. Well, that's my husband. And whatever I'm fucking is more fucking man. Fuck you. Where your big pussy girl on a Portsmouth I do? Where your big blood clot germs a pussy girl over Waterford I do? Where your big stretch out catches girl over blood clot Greater Portmore I do chin? Stinking cocky chin. Your cocky stink like down a river ton chin. Rockavage is queening. Rockaway. Do all on a run, huh? Yes, I'm gonna swear queen here, do. Oh, look, stop, suck out my bleeding pussy. Blood clot, the whole of my corruption and I suck out with my nasty thinking yellow blood clot teeth. Oh, no, move on a dirty blood. Dirty blood clot. Me have enough on a nasty blood clot. Just see me, I'm doing that here. Yeah, come time. Oh, my cuss do it cause not give me a birthday present. Me buying blood clot birthday present and him never give me that. So I'm to blood clot that. Mother and father have God bless the blood clot child have it too. Low blood clot me I stop share up my married life, chin. And I tell my home if I live my blood clot married life. If my come and this come cussing this blood clot me, but to the one come and this come cuss me over. Chin! Dirty blood clot body man chin. Low blood clot me chin. And I mean make you teeth the people them house chin. And I mean make you yeah. Calm down, Queenie. Chin. Calm down, Queenie. Calm the fuck down. Calm down, baby. Every blood clot week, every day. The whole I know just, you don't have no life. You don't have nobody else to text it, pal. You don't allow me, man. You don't allow me, because one of them day I go and take the blood clot phone, you see. And I go and open up my body hole, you see. And I go and push up on the dirty blood clot to my body hole. You think that I can manage me? You think that I can conquer me? You know why I can't manage me? Because I'm in trouble. None of me not trouble. No blood clot body. The one I know where I come, me the blood clot witch out. No, you me! Me the witch, me evilous. I'm another body low blood clot. Me not call me name then. If I am nobody, why you get up and tear me down? Tear me down. Low blood clot. Me look like me care about you and the blood clot ring and second ring that. And there gonna be 4, 5, 6, 7 blood clot 8 times. Go ahead. Come suck up my nose all where I run. Blood clot, this mama blood clot, man. You have pussy. You have blood clot pussy, twin pussy blood clot coaching. You You're coming like the four-padded blood clot academy Jamaica. You ever see the four-padded a move your blood clot? Confuse that. No. How much in here that they are awkward? Yeah, can people are worth? Yeah, can people are calm down, Queenie. Down an arcade. You thief your mother goods. You deceive how much in people. You beat up how much in man. You intimidate man. And me all blood clot Queenie. Me chin. A liar blood clot chin. A liar tell chin. You have to go kill me pussy wall. You hear that? Batty blood clot or batty man chin. We got teeth. You and we got teeth the blood clot batty man them blood clot game. Where you go like you never blood clot in that dirty blood clot chin. And you care about husband pan the world got the wally per blood clot fuck when you're not young. 10 years ago. Tell them the man. 10, 11 years ago. 11 blood clot years ago. And them cut the you short. You come talk about how you make man beat him up. Lie! I don't know when the attack clap I know about it. Me know about it a long time. So now when the attack claps come, I can't talk. But you never expect me to know. I mean if you bust out your blood clots, boy you send over pick one. Boy you send do a machine message and do it now and say you do it black you. Cause do is a friend to you. So instead of you and him clash, him block you because he say hurtful things to him. And hurtful things about him wife. The evidence there. Me not have no pressure, my bad. Not a pressure me not have. Do you black you? No, now one not perfect. Could not come go like on a blood clot perfect. I want me for condemn do it. Me not condemn my husband because me and him there right here so I live nice. I reach 2 blood clot years. 2 years what of agony. All that you know still I tell me. 2 years so fucking what I trying and bad. Move on a dirty blood clot. When you see me look like one blood clot loser too no? Well, me just get up and my ball and fight for what I believe in now. Strong blood clot warrior. You know, see my pitney dead, I'm just a flourish same way. You think that a blood clot break me? Because I'm unfair to life. One guarantee in life is death. You hear that bomber wall chin? I have enough of this blood clot cockroach. You come like some leeches. You just get up. I mean, I know nothing about Instagram, you know. I mean, I know. Are you big fuck out pussy girl? You hey girl, uno pussy stink all of uno pussy stink like queen pussy. All of uno chin blood clot woman with a boots chin. Me on a pussy smell like move on a big thinking pussy blood clot. Chin the whole of your girl them smell like under queen. You know?